What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Gru from the Minions The Rise of Gru. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. Let's curl up the inside of the brow. Starting back on the left, bend this in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Over on the left, we're going to step in and draw a half circle. Coming down, just pull that up on the inside, and then do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll push the iris and pupil towards the inside. Starting from the center, come down with a half circle, just pull that in, and I'll trace the iris along the inside to the pupil, and we'll fill the center in black. Now from here we're going to work our way down toward the tip of the nose. From the inside of the left eye, we're going to step down, curve the nose, coming down and in towards the center. Let's round out the middle, go out and up towards the right. Now we're going to tuck the mouth in underneath the nose. Starting underneath the left eye, curve the mouth, coming down, just bend that in, go over towards the right, going up towards the corner of the mouth. Now I'm going to add a bracket along the corners of the mouth. Now that we've completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, just going to curve the head, coming down, just going to bend that in towards the chin, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's lay the hair on top of the head. From the top left, curve this up, and then across towards the middle, and we'll just bend that back up towards the right. Let's close off the right side of the head with a curve, going out and then bringing that down. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side. We're just going to bend the hair coming out and then down towards the side. Add a fold, going up and then bending that in. Let's go back toward the left side, curve this up toward the top of the head, and then in, round up the center, go across, and then bring that down on the right. Let's add another fold coming out from the right side, going up and then across. Let's add some hairs going up along the side, going up and in. Just taper that back down, and then go out towards the side, and bend that back in. Let's close off the side of the hair with a curve, coming in towards the right side of the head. Now I want to tuck the ears along the side of the head. Start from the side of the hair, curve the ear going up, come down, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now let's add that fold along the top of the ear with a curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start underneath the left earlobe, curve the scarf going out and then down towards the sides. And we'll connect the ends with another curve coming down the middle. Just going to round this out, go across, and pull that back up towards the right. Let's add some stripes across the scarf. Leave a gap in the center, start with one line coming down on the left, and then the right. Now going back over towards the left side, we're going to continue with these lines going out. Now from here we're just going to start to bend these out and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the end of the scarf over on the left. Remove over, curve this out, and then down towards the bottom. Flatten off the bottom with a straight line, and it will follow that same curve going up and then in. Let's add those stripes across the bottom of the scarf. These lines going across, going all the way up towards the top. Let's go out to the side and draw the side of the body. For the scarf, we're going to step out, leaving a gap underneath the scarf, go straight down towards the bottom. Line this up over on the right, do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the bottom with a curve coming down in behind the scarf. Continue on the right, coming down, and then bending that up. Let's go to the center of the body, move over toward the left, draw a straight line coming down. And I'll add 2 large buttons, one circle on the top, and then one on the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the body, I'm going to curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbows. Then the arm coming down and in towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers along the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up. And then the 3rd finger, you go all the way around and then in towards the outside of the wrist. From the outside of the wrist, we're going to curve the arm going out and then up towards the elbow. And we'll bend the arm going up and in underneath the scarf. Let's connect the wrist with a curve for the sleeve. We'll add 1 more trim along the top. Now we're going to go back to the center, step down and add a curve from left to right, coming down, and then up, and then leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down, and then up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round up the top of the foot, going up, just bending that down, aiming towards the heel. And curve the foot coming in and up towards the edge of the boot. And I'll add a curve on either side. Now the legs are going to get wider as they come up underneath the body. Let's start from the outside of the ankle, curve the leg going out, and just pull that up. Same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. This is our cartoon illustration of Gru. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.